Hi, it's Nørgaard. So today I'm doing a new Flashback Friday tutorial, and today I'm using the Anastasia X Amrezy palette. So I was actually going to do the Urban Decay Electric palette today. Then just last night I saw that Anastasia Beverly is collaborating with Amrezy again to do a new palette. So what better time to bust this one out again and use the first palette. So I did this look. It's mostly neutral on the top, then a bit of purple on the bottom, and then the pink lip. I was inspired by this picture by Amrezy. Since it's her palette, I thought it was only fitting to do a look that she had already done. And I did also use her highlight for the highlights. And yeah, I don't really have much else to say. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Let me know what you think down below. And without further ado, here comes the tutorial. So this is what the original Amrezy palette looks like. And then these are the colors. I'm going to start out with the color Deep Plum. And I'm going to use a Morphe M507 and apply this color in the very outer V of my eye. And as you can see, it's just super dark. And once I have it in the outer V, I'm going to start bringing it in to the crease. Then I'm going to take the color Morocco, and I'm going to use my Anastasia blending brush. And I'm going to use this on the edge of Deep Plum. And right now I'm just placing the color. I'm going to blend it out more later. Then I take the color Vanilla, and I apply this right on the brow bone. And this is a matte color. It looks kind of shimmery in the pan, like a little bit satiny, but it's actually just matte. So now I'm taking my small Morphe brush, the M507, and I'm going to use Morocco, and I'm going to blend Morocco up to Vanilla. So I'm going to use Glisten and Legend on the lid. So I'm using the flat side of my Anastasia brush to apply Glisten all over the main part of the lid. And then I switch the brush over and I use Legend on the inner corner of the lid. And because the two colors are so similar and I want them to blend together, I'm just using the same brush. Then with Morocco, I'm going to blend out the outer corner. And I'm also going to add a little more Deep Plum. And I'm using my Anastasia blending brush to blend out the upper edge. Okay, for liner, I'm going to use the Inglot Gel Liner in number 77, which is just their black liner. And I'm going to do a little cat eye. So I applied my cat eye, and I also applied my gel liner to my upper waterline. Okay, so lashes are on. Let's go ahead and remove the tape. Ooh. So I put on my base makeup and my bronzer. So for my blush, I'm going to use this Anastasia Blush Trio in the color Pool Party. And I'm going to use this pink color with gold glitters in it. It's called Pageant. And I'm going to apply that to the cheeks. And for highlight, I'm of course going to use the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia. And it looks like this in case you're not familiar. So it's a bright gold color. And as you can see, it's very intense. So in the inner corners of my lower lash line, I'm going to use MAC's Fascinating Eye Kohl. It's just a white eyeliner pencil. And I'm going to set that using the vanilla color from the Amrezy palette. Okay, so that didn't quite have the effect that I wanted, so instead I went in with my Rimmel, what is this actually called? It's called the Color Precise Eyeliner, and this one is in the color, I don't know, but it's white. So I'm going back in with my black gel liner to line the waterline and then outline the white points. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time you really got my back. Got your habits, I got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you, lose them with you. Just feel like maybe I could. And then I'm going to take this Revlon color Stay Stick And this one is in the color 210 Flare Ardent. And I'm just running that along the lower lash line. This is a little thick, so I'm trying my best to be precise. And then I'm going to take the color Iridescent Purple from the palette. And I'm just using a sponge tip applicator to apply this on top of the base. And then I'm going to take the color LBD. And I'm going to use that to kind of blend. Okay. And I'm going to use this to blend between the liner on the waterline and the purple. I'm also using it out here in the outer corner. And then I'm going to re-intensify the purple and brush away any fallout. And then I'm going to apply 2 coats of lower lash mascara. Okay, so to finish off the look, I'm going to do a nice bright pink lip. So to line the lips, I'm going to use MAC Candy Yum Yum. Then I'm going to use this chunky lip crayon from LA Colors. As you can see, it's all messy and I don't even know what the color is. It doesn't stay on here. But I got this at $3 for $1 and it's really, really good. So this is what I'm going to use as my lip color. Then I'm going to use this lip paint by W7 in the color Lady Luck. Then I'm going to grab my House Laboratories lip gloss. This is in the color Entranced. That is the gloss. It's like a champagne color with pink reflex. Okay, so here you guys have the finished result. I really like how this look came out. I really like the eye shape and I love the combination of like the bold eye with the bright lip. So that is all. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you can also click the bell to get post notifications. That's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So take care and bye bye.